Headcanon meaning. Explain headcanon. When someone has their own ideas or interpretations about what happened in a fictitious narrative, they may refer to them as headcanon, a slang word for unofficial or fan canon. The term canon is often used in popular culture to refer to what is officially recognized as being true inside a certain fictional world or universe, whether that be via in-story confirmation or external evidence. For example, an author or director might confirm something to be canon in an interview or in bonus material. On the other hand, headcanon refers to the fan-made interpretations of a tale that are accepted as canon by other fans. Everything from the story's origins through its aftermath is fair game. Shipping, or creating a love relationship between two characters that never interact in the tale, is a common kind of headcanon. Headcanons have the potential to become canon if the information they provide are eventually integrated into the tale, or are shown to be real. A less serious usage of the phrase occurs when discussing hypotheses that are meant to be comical or ludicrous. For instance, in My Other Universe, Augustus Gloop is awarded Willy Wonka's lifelong supply of chocolate when the candy magnate finally concedes he never stated anybody should avoid drinking from the chocolate river. #Justice for Augustus.